Welcome to Tbcs. I'm Tanvir. In the last video, I explained that from the frequency how cumulative frequency could be made. But in today's video, I'll explain you how from the cumulative frequency the median, upper quartile and lower quartile could be found. Okay? And you know that uh, undoubtedly, this graph on a graph paper using this cumulative frequency, this vertical line, and this horizontal line, date, age, time, okay, class width, using this class width or using this information. Okay, how firstly we have to draw the graph. Okay, am I clear? Firstly, we have to draw this graph using cumulative frequency that was found from the frequency, and using this data, using this information. Firstly, we have to draw the graph. Okay. And you know that in over this graph, undoubtedly you need to believe that over this graph, if the question is like this, find the median. Median means middle, right? So here you are watching here the total cumulative frequency 0 to 60, right? So 0 to 60, so middle is 30. So middle is 30. Again and again I'm telling that the data for getting any median, upper quartile or lower quartile, whatever, or interquartile, for getting any data, we have to take shelter. We have to start from the cumulative frequency. As middle is 30, so now my question that using the 30, which point? You see this point, straight from the 30, this point has been found, and from this point over the data, what is the point has been found? You are watching that is 39. So we have to start from the, again I'm telling, firstly we have to draw the graph, right? So after drawing the graph, we need to believe that this line cannot be used first. This vertical line, the cumulative frequency has to be used. And we have to go to the median, middle. So from the median over the graph, this is the point, from the point over the data 39. So the answer in this information, the answer is 39. Okay. Secondly, upper quartile, quarter, what does quarter mean? 1/4, right? But in statistics, in the data representation, statistics mean data representation, data management, okay, information management. So in statistics, the quarter that we pronounce quarter, but here quartile, right? So the lower quartile mean first 25. First 25 mean, if you divide this 60 in the 4 quartile, first quartile is 15, then 30, median, and last quartile is 45. So the first quartile you are watching that 15. This is 0, this is 10, this is 20, so this is 15. Again and again I'm telling that for getting any information, we have to take shelter on this line, that is cumulative frequency. And from the 15, we have to go over the graph exactly which point this graph match. This is the point. So from this point, if you go to the data information line, you will get this on, 32. So the lower quartile is 32. Now question is upper quartile. I told that quarter mean 1/4 and last quarter mean last 24. Don't you understand? Mean first 25, then 50, then 75%. So 75% of the 60 is 45. Mean if you divide the 60 in the 4 portion, first portion is 15, second portion is 30, median, and last portion is 45. So from the 45, we have to go which point over the graph, which point does it match? This is the point that match, right? So from the point to the information line, what is the point? We are getting that is 46. So 46 is the upper quartile. So this is lower quartile, this is median, this is upper quartile. Many times they ask interquartile. The difference between lower quartile to the upper quartile. Okay, that's a different talk. So today's my main gist of the video is that for getting any information using the cumulative frequency, we have to start from here, go to the graph point, again to the information point. What is the conclusion? From the cumulative frequency, we have to go to the graph point. From the graph point, we have to go to the information level. So this is the information level and this is the cumulative frequency. No tension. So this is the use of cumulative frequency. Thank you.